Hi, everyone. I'm Elsa from INNOSS Tech Lab. Today, I would like to delve into how to gain a competitive edge in the Forex market through EA, Forex trading robots. In the Forex market, success requires not just skills but also tools and strategies. EA provide a powerful way to help traders gain a competitive advantage and manage their investments more intelligently. Dynamic adaptability is a crucial feature of EA. They can adjust trading strategies in real time based on market changes, providing traders with immense flexibility. This dynamic adaptability means that EA can monitor market changes in real time and adjust trading strategies accordingly. This allows them to better capture market opportunities while reducing risks. Multi-strategy management is a powerful feature of EA. Traders can simultaneously run multiple strategies and switch between them based on different market conditions, increasing diversification opportunities. This means that you can use different trading strategies simultaneously and switch between them flexibly according to market conditions to minimize risks and maximize investment opportunities. Automatic monitoring and notification features make it easier for traders to manage their trades without the need to sit in front of a computer for extended periods. This provides greater freedom and convenience. You can gain a better understanding of the performance of your trading strategies through detailed reporting and analysis, allowing you to learn from your experiences and continually improve and optimize your strategies. In summary, INNOSS Tech Labs EA provides Forex traders with a range of powerful tools and advantages, helping them stand out in a competitive market. Whether it's dynamic adaptability, multi-strategy management, automatic monitoring, or advanced reporting, INNOSS Tech Labs EA offers you more competitive advantages. If you aspire to succeed in the Forex market, consider incorporating INNOSS Tech Labs EA into your trading toolbox. By understanding and leveraging these advantages, you are more likely to gain a competitive edge in Forex trading. Thank you, and see you next time.